I'm going to present you two practices of the class for the class of modeling of dynamic systems, and these two circuits are useful to make a control circuit. This circuit is known as diverter circuit, and this one is known as integrative circuit. In this case, you use this circuit when you want to correct the signal. For example, if you have a sine signal and you have peaks in the signal, for example, you have the signal and you have peaks in the signal, you should use this circuit because this circuit corrects the signal. If the signal is like this, when past this circuit, the signal go out correctly. In the case of this circuit, that is the integrative circuit, the circuit makes an like a premonition. The circuit knows how it will be the behavior when the sine signal pass to the circuit. For example, if the signal is like this, the next signal will be the same. For this reason, you should use both circuits. To use these two circuits, you should have, if you can look it, you should have capacitor, resistance, and operational amplifier. Yes. For this circuit, we have a capacitor of 10 microfarad and a resistance of 100 kilo ohms and a 741. In this case, we have a resistance of 1 kilo ohm and the capacitor is about 100 microfarads and 741. And we should use two free components, very important, that are negative voltage, positive voltage, and the ground. If we don't have these three important parts that are in this part, we can use the 741. And we are forgetting another thing that is very important for a control system: the circuit, the proportional circuit. The proportional circuit is the same of these two circuits, but in this case we don't need this capacitor, and we put this resistance here. This circuit makes a different thing, because when the sine signal passed here and we have a ganancey about, I don't know, like 3, and our voltage is about 0.5 volts, the out here will be about 2 volts. Why? Because this circuit makes increase the signal. In this case, when we use free circuits, we can make a control system, and the control system is used when you want to stop something, when you want to control something. For example, if you have a sensor, the sensor makes a signal, an electric signal, and goes to three parts. This sensor is controlling or is checking for example, water or temperature, or I don't know, some things that we normally use in the industry. Thank you, teacher, and we'll see you next.